Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries in an Apple Wireless Keyboard. The specific model I have here is A1314. To replace the batteries, you will need either a coin or a library card. Well, any kind of card actually. I will be demonstrating using a coin. The placement of the batteries is brilliant. It's hidden on the side right here. We will have to unscrew this part by using a coin or a card. Unscrew it counterclockwise and tilt your keyboard so the batteries fall out. Then put in the new batteries by putting in the positive side first. If you don't remember which side goes in first, look right here. Apple has included a little nice guide here. Once you put in the new batteries, put the cover on and screw it back in clockwise. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye!